Hey there, welcome to FinNews Daily, your go-to source for all things cryptocurrency. Let's explore the happenings in the world today. Ripple is shaking things up by launching the Ripple USD, or RLUSD stablecoin. What's cool about this? It will operate on both the XRP Ledger and Ethereum blockchains, giving users more flexibility and options. Binance is in hot water in Nigeria. Nigerian authorities are accusing Binance of not paying taxes on a whopping $20 billion in turnover. This could lead to some big changes for the crypto giant in Nigeria. MetaMask just made Ethereum staking more accessible with its new collective staking feature. This service lowers the entry threshold, making it easier for more people to participate. Bitcoin and Ethereum through Itau Unibanco. Big news from Brazil. Itau Unibanco, the largest Brazilian bank, is now offering its 60 million customers the chance to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum directly through the bank. Talk about mainstream adoption. Altcoin investments and DOGE ETF. Arthur Hayes and Raoul Pal have revealed their investments in altcoins, highlighting DOGE as a potential candidate for launching a spot ETF. Is DOGE going to the moon? BTC-ETF inflows and arbitrage. Despite significant inflows into BTC-ETFs, Glassnode reports that arbitrage strategies between the spot and derivatives markets are holding back buying pressure. Interesting dynamics at play here. Yesterday saw a record-breaking withdrawal of 336,000 ETH, worth $1.2 billion, from Coinbase, marking the highest figure this year. What could this mean for the market? In a surprising move, Donald Trump has pledged to protect Bitcoin mining in the US and globally. During a meeting with industry representatives, he made this commitment. This could be a game changer for the mining sector. CryptoQuant reports that OTC balances of Bitcoin miners surged by 54,000 BTC this month, reaching a yearly high. Miners are holding strong. Paraguay is selling excess hydroelectricity to licensed mining companies as part of its new economic strategy. Sustainable mining, here we come. A Bitcoin wallet inactive since 2018 just transferred 8,000 BTC. That's over $535 million to Binance. If sold, the profit would be around $500 million. Bitcoin is in its longest consolidation period at 92 days. Experts suggest a potential breakout and growth could be on the horizon. Paradigm raises $850 million for a new crypto fund. Venture capital giant Paradigm has raised this substantial sum focused on early-stage projects. Previously, Paradigm supported Binance in its case against the SEC. Taiwan's new crypto association. Taiwan has created an association of 24 crypto companies to comply with anti-money laundering rules. Regulatory clarity is always a good sign, isn't it? Ethereum ETF approval by summer? Gary Gensler has stated that he expects the final approval of the Ethereum ETF by the end of the summer. Great news for ETH holders. Terraform Labs to cease operations. In a recent development, Terraform Labs announced it will cease operations and hand over network management to the community. A new chapter begins. Crypto donations for Biden's campaign. Biden's team is negotiating with Coinbase Commerce to start accepting cryptocurrency donations for his campaign. Politics meets crypto. BNB Incubation Alliance. Binance has launched the BNB Incubation Alliance to support early-stage Web3 startups. Exciting times ahead for innovators. Airdrops Galore. Since the beginning of the year, crypto participants have received about $4 billion in various tokens through airdrops. Free tokens, anyone? That wraps up our update for today. Keep following FinNews Daily for your cryptocurrency news fix. Remember to show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Catch you later.